Hey y'all, hey! Welcome back to my channel. I'm April, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome. While you're here, please subscribe down below, and also feel free to like, comment, and share. So as you can tell by the title, I'm a little bit early this month, but I am here today for another Ivy Box unboxing. They sent out our October boxes a little late, but they promised us that they would send out our November boxes a little bit early, and they did come through like they said. I actually received my box the other day when I came home after Thanksgiving. So when I saw it in the mail, I was like, yes, it came. I have seen teasers as usual, but after seeing the teasers, I can honestly say that I was so thrilled to have received this box, and I was so anxious to get it when I did. So once they had sent out the email letting us know that they would send it early, I was just like, yes, like I'm glad that this one will be sent out early. And also, if you decide that you would like to subscribe while watching this video, I will have my link down below, and if you tap on that link, it'll take you directly to the Ivy Storehouse website where you can go and subscribe. All right, without further ado, let's get into the November unboxing. So I still have my box in the box. Literally, I've had a busy week, so I haven't had a chance to open it. I was waiting for this moment. I was waiting. Ooh, it's heavy. Ooh, this is heavy. So here is the regular standard size Ivy box. It is heavy. OMG. I'm excited, y'all. Inside, we have, again, the Ivy Storehouse sticker on the AKA shield, the tissue paper, which is so pretty. I'm so hyped to show y'all what this is going to be, because I already know what it's going to be, but I have my hands on it. Ooh. Y'all, this is so nice. So I have on the card, it says VIP. Let me show you the card. That is so pretty. Ivy Storehouse and Mrs. Michelle Obama. Enough said. Okay, enough said. Wow. And it has invitation. Join us for an Ivy Box members only experience. November theme, becoming. Wow, this is so nice. Like, this is my invitation. Like, this is so exclusive. I never would have thought. Like, I just never would have thought. Like, I'm speechless right now. When I tell you, I was thrilled to see that I was going to receive these items. I was so thrilled. Whoo, Mrs. Michelle Obama Flotus. Like, who doesn't love her? Okay. Let's stay focused, April. Stay focused. And they also have an insert inside for Pink Friday. It says Pink Friday is coming November 30th, 2018. And that is super cute. It's a girl holding pink and green boxes, of course. That is too cute. I love their stationery. I wish I knew where they ordered it from, because whoever they get it from, they do a really good job. November theme, becoming. What's in the box? Inside the box, we have a personalized letter from Michelle Obama to you. Wow. Becoming memoir. Becoming poster, becoming e-study guide for electronic delivery, becoming aka book cover, becoming aka skinny scarf, and becoming aka bookmark. So I'm going to read what it says. In collaboration with Ivy Storehouse, Michelle Obama released a special copy of her memoir entitled Becoming, and penned a personal letter just for you as an Ivy Box subscriber. My mom has been telling me about Michelle Obama, her book coming out, all the interviews that she's done. And I never would have imagined that I was going to receive this. Like, this is so nice. This is so nice. And when I saw the teaser, I actually sent a screenshot picture of it to my mom, because I was super excited. Like, Mom, look what I'm about to get. Like, this is so nice. This is so nice. So this is the Becoming Memoir. So this on the front basically says the same thing that is on our insert card. So I'm not going to read everything on here. You'll have to be a VIP member to know all the deets. I'm sorry. I have been warning you all almost a whole year just about to go ahead and subscribe. I've been trying to tell you. So, oh, look at her. Look at Floatus. She is so pretty. Look. Becoming Michelle Obama. Wow. Look at that. That is a beautiful picture of her. Look at our Floatus. She is just so beautiful. Gosh, I cannot believe this. Oh, wow. This is the real book. And it's Oprah's 2018 selection. Oprah's book club. Wow. Wow. Oh, it's a picture of her and Obama when they were young. That was so sweet. Wow. I really have my hands on this. Ooh, look at this book cover. Next is the book cover. Let me take it out because it's kind of like a glare in here. This is nice. Ooh, this is nice. A pink book cover. And on the bottom corner, it has the ivy leaf with AKA. That is so cute. So there I have my book inside my book cover. Oh, that is so nice. Next, I have the skinny scarf, a pink and green skinny scarf. That is so cute. Oh, that is pretty. That is pretty. The scarf says, Becoming. Any change involving realization of potentialities as a movement from the lower level of potentiality to the higher level of actuality. I like that. That is nice. That is nice. Let that sink in your head for a minute. That's nice. And on the reverse side, we have the stripes, pink and white stripes, and on each end it has the ivy leaf. That is too cute. Now scarves like this, I usually like to tie these around my neck. You can tie it and let it hang like this, or I like to tie mine in a bow. I love skinny scarves, like love skinny scarves. I love scarves, period. See, look at that. That tie is so cute. That is cute. Or you can also tie it on your handbag. I like to put scarves on my handbags sometimes. Oh, and then you just make sure that you let it hang just right. And see, now that this is hanging, you can see the two ivy leaves. That's cute. And then I have the bookmark, the Becoming bookmark. I'm going to take it out so you can see better. Wow, that is too cute. It has Becoming. As the O, we have the ivy leaf here with AKA. And you would put this inside your book like such. And this would stick out at the top, so you will not lose your place while you're reading. Let's put it to the test. That is so neat. That is too cute. I love that. And we have the Becoming Michelle Obama. This is the poster. I'm not going to take this out the plastic because I want to preserve this. This is so nice. Becoming Michelle Obama. I love this picture of her. She is so classy. So classy. And then we have the Becoming personalized letter. I'm not going to take this out either. Sorry for the glare. But here is the Becoming Personalized letter signed by the FLOTUS, Mrs. Michelle Obama herself. That is so nice. Wow, this is nice. Ooh, to the women of Alpha Kappa Alpha. Like, this is so nice. She really wrote this to the women of Alpha Kappa Alpha. Like, she wrote this personally just for us. Wow, that says a lot. Okay, that speaks volumes. And I did get my email already for the e-study guide. That did come in my email. So if you all have received your box, you should have received your email a couple days after that, because I believe I did see some comments about not receiving the e-study guide, but I think you had to wait a few days, because I did get mine a few days after mine delivered. Wow, I'm speechless right now. Thank you, Ivy Storehouse, for doing this. Like, you all really went above and beyond this time. Like, you really did make me feel like I am officially VIP status now. I did not expect this. Do you know, for November, I was sitting here waiting for these gold buttons. But now, after getting this, it's like, what gold buttons? Gold buttons where? Okay, this is so nice. Like, this is history right here. I cannot wait to start reading this. Like, now I've been looking for a good time or a good book to read, and it's like I always am busy. But now that I actually have a book worth reading, it's like now I can sit down and really get into this book, because I know that it's going to be a good read. So yeah, that is it for the November box. If you received your box, let me know what your favorite item was. And if you started reading, let me know how it is so far. And also, don't forget Pink Friday. Pink Friday, November 30th. Make sure you get your coins together, because they will be having good deals on Pink Friday. Again, that's Pink Friday on November 30th, 2018. If you want to subscribe after today, I'm getting ready to tell you how. All you have to do is subscribe at www.ivystorehouse.com with a recurring monthly plan by the 13th of the month. Select a month-to-month, 3-month, or annual plan. You'll receive high quality and curated Alpha Kappa Alpha apparel, accessories, and stationery products. Your Ivy box will ship between the 25th and 30th of each month. There is no obligation to continue the subscription, and you can cancel at any time. After your initial order, billing occurs automatically on the 1st of every month, and you do not need to resubscribe. Easy steps, easy to follow. This is a great gift. I'm telling you all, if you have not subscribed, you need to go ahead and subscribe. I'm not sure if it's too late to subscribe now for the November box, but I'm telling you, if none of the other boxes were worth it, this box was definitely well worth it. That is all. And until next time, stay pretty. Bye.